Man, there's this Duolingo for fitness app, and there's a feature that I just can't figure out how it works. And they don't have any like FAQ page, help center. There's just nothing in the app. I checked their settings, and now I gotta reach out, send them a support ticket, and it's gonna probably take them like 2 days to respond. And heck knows if they even have the right answer for me. So I'm probably just gonna be frustrated, give them a 1-star review, and then just download another app, which sucks. If there could only be a help center that would be natively embedded in their mobile app that is run by Notion, so the developers and the founders can write the help articles simply in Notion without updating their mobile app, and then just sync it with HelpKit, and suddenly it's in the help center. How cool would that be? And now, let me get rid of my bad acting. I'm super excited to announce you that that is exactly what HelpKit is launching today. From today onwards, you can use HelpKit and embed it in your native mobile app right now in React Native, but it will come soon for Swift and other frameworks as well. And the cool thing is that you can have a fully fledged professional help center within your mobile app, and it comes with a couple of cool things. I just want to quickly show you here it on my phone and show you how it works. All right, my phone is connected, and I just have a demo app here called Expo Go, and I want to show you how the help center works. So this is a simple demo app, but you can imagine in your own consumer app, in your settings page, you have some sort of section called support, and in here you can have a couple of functionalities. The simplest one would be just to open the help center, and I'm just going to click here, and it will open up this like beautiful model view of the HelpKit Help Center. It's powered by Notion, and as you can already see here, there's a couple of predefined categories, and the cool thing about using HelpKit is that you get access to our free app template, where there's already a couple of help articles pre-written for you, very common things that you will encounter when you're creating your mobile app. So you don't have to start from zero. So let me just quickly browse through, go through the getting started here, and you can see, for example, some stuff like how to install an app name. And all this is written in Notion, but rendered within HelpKit. And we can also go back here, search for stuff like cancel, and basically just browse through. As you can see, this is all of the content that will be available with the template. If you want, you can start with a blank template as well, but that's just what HelpKit provides you with. And let me now close the model by just swiping down. And there's a couple of other things we can do. We can open up a help article directly if we want to. We can also open up a category here. Now you could imagine if you have an app feature that people don't really know about, you could just have like a little information icon. People tap it and then they get their help center content like in context. And that way people don't have to even navigate out of your app, just stay in there and then go on with their day. We can also have something very interesting, which is we can open up a contact form, and we can also pre-fill it with data. And now let me show you something really interesting. I'm going to open the contact form here. And this is not really super special, but with HelpKit, what you get is you get some smart ticket deflection stuff. So for example, if I go here into the subject form and I would type in something like cancel, HelpKit will automatically suggest you articles based on your knowledge base that might get users already the answers to the questions, so they don't even have to send you a support ticket. And that's everything we want, right? So I can just click here and read through it myself and then hopefully fix the issue myself. And the great thing about this, like I mentioned, all the content here is coming from Notion. So let me just quickly show you how that looks like. So this is the content that you've seen in the Help Center. It's all just a simple Notion database. And in here, we have all these articles that you can super easily add, share with your team colleagues so you can maintain your knowledge base. And you can just go in here and just update all of the content, some of the things that we've pre-written for you already. And yeah, that's basically it. There's one more thing. HelpKit Mobile SDK also comes with themes. So if you don't like the HelpKit like native design, there is another one, and I'm just going to quickly show you how that works. You can go to your HelpKit dashboard. This is the overview of all the articles you can sync here with Notion. But we're going to go to the settings here, go to the app section, and then here in the app section, you can basically adjust how the app, how the Help Center will look like inside your app. The most important thing here is the theme. So we can also choose a minimal theme. And now let me save the settings. And as you can see, this is a more cleaner look, has less visual elements, but maybe it's a bit easier for people to read through, looks a bit more native. You can fully customize to your liking with our custom CSS feature. And yeah, I just want to quickly show you how that looks on the mobile. Also here, if you want to, you can see how easy it is to get started. We also have a full documentation. This also opens, by the way, in the HelpKit widget. So if you want to install it in your web app, that obviously would work too. And yeah, let me just quickly show you how it looks like on the mobile app. So now, because I have updated this in HelpKit, you don't need to update your mobile app. You don't have to submit it to the app store. You don't have to do anything. HelpKit will automatically have all these updates because it's rendering from our servers. So if we go here now to the Help Center, you should see we have a more cleaner, minimal look. And we can do the same thing, browse through the stuff here, how to find a reset, go back, browse through the articles here, and we can also give feedback for the articles. HelpKit has a whole analytics dashboard, so you can like learn about how people use your Help Center and also improve your articles. And if that is not all, HelpKit also has an AI chatbot feature, so people can use basically your AI that is trained on your knowledge base to find articles even easier. And yeah, that's basically the Help Center embedded in your mobile app. The coolest thing I think in all of this is that it is so easy to use something you're already familiar with, like Notion, to just don't worry about like another Help Center software. Just use HelpKit, write your content in Notion, and then just embed it in your app. And it's kind of like a set and forget, and you will see a significant decrease in your support ticket load, which helps you as a consumer app builder to make cooler features, focus on growing your app, and while keeping your customers also happy, right? They find the answers to their questions, and it's a win-win situation. So if you want to check it out, go to helpkit.so. You can start with a free trial, see for yourself how it is. And if you have any questions, also just feel free to drop me a DM, send us a support ticket email, and we're going to help you right away. All right. Cheers, guys.